This question is from Krishnan Seshadri. The body-mind complex is said to be inert or jada and is only enlivened by the reflected consciousness. If so, how is this inert substance able to generate thoughts?
Straight answer is the thoughts are also inert. What is meant by this is, the word inert is it's a close English approximation of the Sanskrit word jada. And the jada also is used in a special sense in philosophy. Normally, even in Indian languages, when you say jada, it means something immobile, something like a rock maybe. But technically in Vedanta, in Sankhya, the word jada means an object. That which is not conscious, that which is not sentient. So inert is a close, when I say inert, I'm reminded of, I don't know how many of you would have seen, there was this British BBC serial, Yes Minister. Very, very humorous. It used to be on Indian television, one of the few English serials on Indian television. So I loved it. And it was about politics at the highest level in Whitehall, in England, in London. And the bureaucrats who ruled everything, who ran everything, they were all educated in the classics in Oxford and Cambridge. They had the least idea about science and technology, and they were not interested. That's superiority, that you're. So the discussion was going on. The minister is talking about gases. Some plant is there, industrial plant and gases, and it says inert gas. It will not react with any other substance. We all read, from school chemistry, we learned inert gas. And the bureaucrat, I think it was Sir Humphrey, he has no idea what an inert gas is. And the minister asks, do you know what you're talking about? You know, what does inert gas mean? What does inert mean? Inert means, he said, inert means it's not earth. What do you mean? It won't hurt a soul? Which is in a way correct, because it will not react with anything else. Anyway, that's British humor for you. But jada here means an object. Let us see it from our experience. What does jada mean, the word jada mean in Sanskrit and in Vedanta? In our experience, whatever you are aware of is an object, and that's jada. And that's a very interesting definition. Because you're aware of the table, then table is jada. We are aware of the clothes I'm wearing, it's jada. I am aware of the body. If I'm aware of the body, body is jada. Which becomes interesting because even in Indian languages, when you say jada, you generally don't mean a living body. You just mean non-living things, they're jada. A living creature is supposed to be chetana, conscious, sentient. But by this definition which we are using in Vedanta and Sankhya, anything you are aware of is jada. This is jada, this is jada. And even more startling and amazing, if you go inwards and look inwards, all of us, we have thoughts, we have emotions, we have feelings. But because we are aware of those thoughts, emotions and feelings, they are also jada. Which is not at all the way in day-to-day life the word jada is used, even in India. In fact, it's just the opposite. If you say thoughts and feelings, are they jada or not? No, people would say, no, that is sentient. And things in the world, physical things outside are jada. But according to this definition, if you are aware of it, it is jada. And the only thing that is not jada, if you go further, in our own experience, if we see, and you let go of whatever is jada. I'm aware of the external world, so let go. I'm aware of the body. Let go. Let go means turn your attention away. You can't let go of the body. Don't let go. We have to call 911 otherwise. Turn my attention away from the body. The breath. Are you aware of the breath? That's how you do mindfulness meditation, vipassana. So it is jada. Then thoughts, emotions, memories are coming. Jada. Because you're aware of it. Even this technique which we are using, the understanding which we are using, intellect. But you're aware of that understanding, the functioning of the intellect, the higher mind. That's jada too. Let go. And if you let go of everything, suppose the world has disappeared, there's no world. Other people are not there. Just close your eyes. I'm not seeing anything, hearing anything, smelling, tasting, touching. Why am I doing this? They are jada, so I'm turning my attention away from the jada to discover what is not jada. And then I look at the body also, that is also jada. So I turn my attention away from the body. Suppose you're not aware of the body also, not aware of the world, you are not seeing anything, hearing, smelling, tasting. Try to simulate it in your mind. Not even aware of the bodily existence, suppose. Not even aware of emotions. No excitement, no boredom, no pain, no pleasure, no unhappiness, no delight, just neutral. You're not aware of any memory. Suppose memory is also gone. Complete amnesia. You don't even remember my own name, where am I, what is all this. Everything is gone. Jada, suppose. And then intellect also stops. No thinking, no understanding, nothing, just blank. Jada. Then that blankness also, I'm aware of the blankness. Drop that blankness also if you can. Jada. What remains is bare awareness or not aware of anything at all. You remain. It feels like nothing. You'll have to make the effort of dropping that nothing also. Then you will see its light only. But not an objective light, not a jada light. It's you. And that you is not jada. I don't know if that makes any sense. No? Some of you understand what is being pointed towards? It's a darkness, but it's also a luminous darkness because you are present there. You're just not aware of anything. There is no jada present to you, no object present to you. Now he says, the mind and the intellect, they are also jada. How do they generate thoughts? You can easily answer now. You'll say that those thoughts are also jada. One jada is generating another jada. What is important is the knower of those thoughts, the experiencer of those thoughts, the illuminer of those thoughts, you. You are not jada because you are not an object. Definition of jada, anything that's an object, anything that you can be aware of. You are that which you are not aware of objectively. Careful here. If I'm not aware of it, then immediate consequence is, oh, it's something that's unknown. There are lots of things which I don't know in this universe. I'm not aware of it. Not in that sense. It's other than the known, other than the unknown. Whatever I'm aware of is known, jada. But whatever I am not aware of, whatever I do not know, there are lots of things that I do not know. But if you knew them, would they be jada or not? They would be jada. So they are also in principle jada. All the known and all the unknown are jada, whether you know them or unknown, whether you know them or you do not know them. The one which knows, the one which is aware of all of that, in itself is not jada, because it cannot be objectified, and yet it exists. This is why we get confused at this point. Because it's not an objective existence, because it is not a jada existence, we think it doesn't exist. It exists very much so. You are it. You exist. That's one thing that nobody can doubt, my own existence. So, this ajada chaitanya, this consciousness, this awareness, which is not a this. That's the only thing which is not jada. Thoughts. Jada can generate thoughts. No problem at all. Vedanta has no problem at all with it. One jada thing is generating another jada thing. Mind is jada, generating thoughts. But the mind cannot generate you.